Trump has won the trade war. Global supply chains will be disrupted, and that means higher production costs. American consumers will pay more for far fewer choices. And US companies that rely on imported parts will also be hit. So why do we still say that Trump won? Tariffs were never just about trade and trade deficits. It's part of a bigger play to push companies to make things in America or pay a steep price at the border. That's why even countries with a trade surplus against the US got hit with at least a 10% tariff. And it's not just about the money from those tariffs. Trump's trade frameworks with key trading partners include massive investment pledges into the US economy. South Korea, for example, has pledged $350 billion, while Japan has pledged $550 billion. And Malaysia? We've agreed to purchase $150 billion worth of American goods over 5 years and invest an additional $70 billion into the US economy over the next decade. To put that in perspective, our trade deficit with America is only $25 billion. Trump's ultimate goal is simple: improve America's trade and fiscal balances, boost domestic investments, and reindustrialize. That means more jobs, higher productivity and wages, and in time, ensure continued US dollar dominance. Now here's the twist. Nations aren't uniting to fight Trump's tariffs. They're lining up to win his favor. Nearly all capitulated under his art of the deal, with China being the only real holdout. And as we've said before, in the era of artificial intelligence, the real winners will be the countries and companies that adapt fastest. Trump's pro-growth, pro-business policies, and China's market-driven innovation system, where the government makes strategic macro policies that allows private firms and market forces to drive growth, will make them undisputed leaders. The real question is, can and will other nations follow this playbook, or risk being outcompeted in the future AI-driven world economy? For an even deeper analysis on the topics discussed, read Tong's portfolio, only in The Edge.